It's Yvonne de Celis from YDCtv. I'm back one more time today. Sorry, again Friday, and it is 4:07 p.m. Forgot to add these to the last video I did, so sorry to those of you who prefer I put in more than one video at a time. I actually just forgot to include this in that last video. This is something else that can help with feelings of sadness, and I forgot, like I said, to include this, so just wanted to show you two really quick chakras that you can open up to make yourself feel better. Starting with the heart, what you do is you take your fingers and just press down at the center, press down. And then what we're going to do is take in a deep breath with the nose if you can. If not, just through your mouth, deep breath in. And as you're breathing out, press in and pull apart. All the way across the chest. And then when you're done, rub your hands together and shake them out for any negative energy you've picked up. You can do this as many times as you want. So again, in at the center and press in and pull apart. You can do that either on the in-breath or the out-breath. That's up to you. Go with what feels right to you. For me, it's on the out-breath. But for some people, it might be the other way around. So whatever works for you, go with that. The last one is on the solar plexus, which is right underneath the bra line. So underneath the pecs. Start at the center once again. And then on the out-breath, pull apart. These are both feel-good chakra cleanses. It's very quick, and again, you can do this as many times as you wish. And again, number of times, and whether it's on the in-breath or the out-breath is up to you. Just wanted to throw this in as one more quick video, because I know me, I won't remember to put this up again, and I did want to include this. I don't want you to miss out on these feel-good, quick fixes. So I do hope it helps you. One last thing though, not a challenge, just a request. A lot of the videos I do are inspired by questions I'm asked by other people. So if you have any health issues, any issues whatsoever that you'd like to see addressed on this channel, just leave a message down below, let me know, and I promise I will do what I can. I will research it, and I'll definitely get back to you if I'm available. So once again, thank you for coming to visit. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below if you can, or give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, anything at all. But if you don't have time for anything else, then thank you so much for visiting either way. Namaste, peace and light, and I will see you in a few days. Thanks so much. Take care. Cheers.